In a significant development on the 7th of February 2024, Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma unveiled the Umkhrah Riverfront development project aimed at transforming the riverfront into a bustling centre for recreational, cultural and social activities. With an estimated budget of Rs 39 crores, the initiative not only focuses on restoring the ecological balance of the river but also on seamlessly incorporating modern amenities. Notable dignitaries in attendance at the event in Polo included Deputy Chief Minister Snyob Halangdhar, Minister A.L. Heck and Deputy Commissioner Rosette M. Kurba, along with representatives from the Urban Affairs Department. Furthermore, in a bid to encourage community engagement in urban revitalization efforts, the government distributed cheques ranging from Rs 75,000 to Rs 1.5 lakhs to community members and various Darbar Shnong of Shillong through the My City campaign, an extension of the locality beautification and enhancement competition initiated by the government. During his address, Chief Minister Sangma highlighted the collaborative efforts between the government and the Water Resource Ministry, emphasizing the importance of active participation from residents in safeguarding the rivers and streams that contribute to Shillong's distinct character and charm.
A loud round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, can you give a big round of applause for all our beneficiaries here? Next is RR Colony Welfare Society General, Mokhar Darbar Shnong, Jaya Puding Local Darbar, Darbar Shnong Nong Kriem, Darbar Dong Dum Dum, Darbar Shnong Ratsam Kya.
Shillong is a historic city, a city which has been the capital for the eastern region even before independence, in the undivided Assam, and today is the capital city of our beautiful state. And the idea really is to give a facelift and beautification to the city. So apart from this, there will be many more interventions that we will be doing in the next couple of months, and the programs will continue. The riverfront will be meaningless without the river. So let us get one thing straight, that we are not saying that we'll be able to completely change the entire this whole zone in one go, because as I said, developing the riverfront and developing and maintaining the river are two different things. But again, I want to share with you that we are working closely with the Water Resource Ministry, Government of India, the Jal Shakti Ministry, and we are, in fact, we had put in a proposal earlier to clean up the Umkhrah and the Umshirpi. The project cost, of course, at that time, and the technology that was available was beyond a level where Government of India did not agree to that particular project, and we were asked to revisit it, which we are in the process. And I'm hopeful that while the riverfront development is going on, we will also be working towards having a project which will involve cleaning up of the Umkhrah and the Umshirpi, which is very much needed. So we have identified such locations, and multiple parking lots will come up in those areas, small shops, hawker zones, all these kind of things will come up in those areas. So these are the kind of things that we are working on. We have realized that also the overall congestion in Police Bazaar area, Bara Bazaar area happens because of the an unregulated movement of buses and taxis, and that also is a big challenge because there is no alternative for the taxis and the buses, so hence they are also limited in terms of where they can park. So hence the only way to create a decongested environment in those choking points is to be able to actually ultimately have a zone where the buses and the taxis can actually wait. That this project is going to be, of course, a very, very important project for us. And roughly, there is an investment of close to 39 crores that will be spent in the redevelopment of this entire zone.